Hi there, students. To fall by the wayside. To stop doing something, to fail to continue to do it, particularly because of lack of interest or because of other considerations. So at the beginning of the year, there were 20 students in the class, but of those 20, six of them fell by the wayside. They failed to complete the course for one reason or another. Either they became bored, or they had to go and do other things, or they found jobs. Okay, so to fall by the wayside. You can also use the phrase to go by the wayside with the same meaning. So, for example, if something falls by the wayside, people stop doing it. Yeah, the company managed to continue profitably open during the recession, although many of the competitors fell by the wayside. Yeah, they didn't continue they were no longer active. They were no longer successful. So very often you have a musical band or a group that are quite successful, but then very often different members fall by the wayside and they no longer want to participate. Okay, so it's to stop doing something or to fail to continue to do it. Yeah, he took up the hobby of cycling, but after a few months the hobby fell by the wayside and he found more interesting things to keep to take his attention. So yes, there are many people who saw the first episode of the series, but various of these people fell by the wayside as the plot became more complicated and a bit more cliched. Okay, so yeah, the wayside. This is the edge of the road, the edge of the path. Yeah, the bit that's situated by the side of the road. So, for example, a wayside inn. Yeah, the way is the road. So, the way. This is the way, and then the wayside, the bit beside the road. Yeah, a wayside pub. Okay, so to fall by the wayside, to give up because you lack hope, you admit defeat. Yeah, you just don't want to carry on doing it. Okay, so to fall by the wayside. Formality. I think I would probably give fall by the wayside a 5 in formality. I think you could probably use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, this is actually a parable from the New Testament of the Bible, where there's somebody who sows the seeds, a farmer who's sowing the seed, and some of the seed fell by the wayside, fell by the edge of the road, and it was trodden down by people, and the birds of the air devoured it, whereas other seed fell in fertile ground and grew very strongly. Okay, so that's probably the origin of to fall by the wayside, although it's derived from actually an ancient Greek term meaning fell beside the path. Okay, so if something falls by the wayside, it fails to be completed because of lack of interest. The project fell by the wayside because we just didn't have enough money to complete it. Yeah, he started doing this, but he couldn't continue, and it just fell by the wayside. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To fall by the wayside, to fail to be completed.